So another small exercise for you to be even more thorough with common and proper nouns. So I have another list of nouns and we are going to only pick out the nouns among these words. So let us read the words first before we pick out what are the nouns. So we have America, house, class, bird, running, team, love, computer, Cape Town, book, singing, peace, Monday, paper, pen, family, air, swimming, crowd, flying, Mary, cup, key, commitment, phone, January, group, crying, chair, hate. So these are a group of words and we are going to circle all those words that are nouns. So I have America, it is the name of a place and is a noun. So I circle the word America. The next word is house, is the name of a place and hence is a noun. Again we have the word class, it is a collective noun which we will be learning in our next class and is a noun. Bird is the name of an animal and is a noun. So running is an action being done and is not a noun. The next we had team. Team again is a collective noun that we will be learning in our next class. Love is a feeling and is not a noun. Computer is the name of a thing and is a noun. We have Cape Town is the name of a place and is a noun. Book again is the name of a thing and is a noun. Singing is an action being done and is not a noun. Peace again is a kind of feeling and hence is not a noun. Monday is the day of a week, the day in a week and is a noun. Paper is the name of a thing that we use to write on. Pen is again the name of a thing and is a noun. Family again is a common noun. Air is the name of a thing, so is a noun. Swimming is an action being done and is not a noun. Crowd again comes under collective nouns. Flying is an action being done and is not a noun. Mary is the name of a particular person and is a noun. Cup is the name of a thing and is a noun. Key is the name of a thing and is a noun. Commitment is a kind of thing. Next is phone. Phone is the name of a thing. January is the name of a month in the year. Group again comes under collective nouns. Crying is an action being done. Chair is the name of a thing that we use to sit on. Hate and commitment come under abstract nouns that we will be learning in our later classes. So I mark the words also, commitment and hate also, because it comes under a type of noun called abstract nouns. So these are the nouns that we find in this chart: America, house, class, bird, team, computer, Cape Town, book, Monday, paper, pen, family, air, crowd, Mary, cup, key, commitment, phone, January, group, chair, hate. So these are all the different nouns that we find in this small exercise.